Hi, my name is Tazin Chowdhury. I'm one of the mentors at Chipkoo.com. I'm a qualified self-taught teacher from UK. I was brought up there. I am educated there. However, a year and a half ago, me and my husband, we decided that we should move to Bahrain. My children, they go to a English school, British curriculum school with the same structure and the same work methods, same methodology they're being taught in. Right now, with COVID-19, it's a very difficult time for all the parents. Whether you're a teacher, whether you're a worker, whether you are in administration, whether you're at home, we've all become educators. So whatever information the school gives us is what we apply at home. So it could mean 50% of live teaching and 50% of recorded teaching. And usually live teaching is what happens for older children. So they can cope with the pace, with the computer, knowing how to use the software. First problem that I faced at home was with my children being in different rooms, studying in different areas. They're all primary school going children. So it was easier for me to put all the desktops and laptops on one dining table. So they're in front of me. When they're in front of me, I know what they're doing. I could time them for each of the lessons. Older children would have half an hour for the writing, so they can finish lessons on time. We all know in school, we have half an hour lessons, 20 minutes lessons, or 1 hour lessons, depending on the subject. So with this problem that I found, it's having children in different rooms, it didn't work well. So I've turned a table. I have all the resources in the middle of the table, which is very important for children. They will need rubbers, they will need sharpeners, they will need pencils, coloring pens, blue tack, colored paper, scissors. This is standard, especially for younger children. So all of these resources are in the middle of the table, and I have 3 desktops around it. Also, younger children may not be so familiar with Google Classroom. Don't forget, these platforms are created for us, so we can actually deliver and teach easily. The videos are on there, they can see, they can just do the work, and then you have to submit it. But it's not as easy as that. At times, the child may need to have a little break. They may not understand what is happening. You might have to pause a video, you might need to explain the video. So all of these things work well when you understand that the teacher has still designed the lessons according to school timings. So if your school starts at 7:30 as it does in Bahrain, you have your registration from 8 o'clock, your lesson starts. So have your child sit on the computer at 7:30 or 8 o'clock, whatever suits your timing according to the country that you're in. That way the child understands, this is a professional environment, this is my school environment, so I will be here to study. And children, give them breaks after 2 subjects of studying or 2 lessons. 9:15, my children go have a snack. They go out of the classroom, they walk around our compound or go for a bike ride, only 15-20 minutes, and they come back. So this way they're refreshed. We all feel refreshed when we go for a cup of tea at work, when we need to sit down and discuss with someone about some other topic away from our work environment. It's refreshing. We also have lunchtime at 12:30 till 1. And at 2 o'clock lessons finish. So all of these gaps and breaks refreshes the children. They actually feel like they're in school. I have a system that also works, is alongside the school reward system, I have a reward system at home. So when it comes down to maybe they worked really hard, maybe they worked at a movie, I let them choose. This is what they want, this is your reward. If this is your reward, they will enjoy it, they'll work hard on the next day to achieve the same goals. Sometimes we make cakes. So even though this is a school environment, this is also their home. Both reward and educational needs are balanced. It's very important for children to understand that every single step of the way you work hard, you get some type of reward. I found this much easier with smaller children. Older children, the rewards may be different. It could be a certain amount of time on the computer, extra. or some type of interactive chat with their friends. This is also extremely important for children. That even though we have created a workspace where the children are being educated, we have given them their rewards, they still miss their socialization. They need this at this age to socialize with other children, to have the give and take, the communication skills, to understand that other people have different opinions. This is a growing stage for children. So our school, which is an excellent idea, have set up online conferences for just children. So parents are supposed to monitor this. So they're very professional. Children play, they show their favorite toys, they discuss their day, what they like, what they don't like. And they actually get on very well. It's just for 20 minutes. So I have 3 children split up 20 minutes for each of the child. And they go through and they speak to their friends. Yes, we miss the face-to-face interaction, swapping things, laughing, but we can still do that just as we do on the computer. So children at the end of the day has their education needs that needs to be dealt with, and also their home life as well as their social skills, which is very, very important. Reward system works the best in my eyes, and even the socializing is a reward. At the end of the day, we're not all qualified teachers and we're not all educators, we're all parents. It's in us somewhere. We just have to find what works for us and follow that through. Thank you.